Imagine stepping into a home so tiny, yet so breathtaking, it makes you question why anyone would ever need more space. Welcome to one of the most stunning tiny homes you've ever seen, a masterpiece of design, comfort, and creativity packed into just a few square feet. Don't blink, because every corner of this little beauty hides something extraordinary. From the moment you see it, this tiny home looks like something straight out of a dream. The exterior? Sleek wood paneling with black trim that gives it a modern yet cozy vibe. Big glass windows flood the interior with sunlight, making the space feel open and alive. You'd never guess that behind this minimal frame lies a full-fledged home with everything you could possibly need, and a few surprises that'll blow your mind. Step inside, and your jaw drops. The living area greets you with warm tones, clever lighting, and an aesthetic that feels like a luxury cabin in the woods. The couch isn't just for lounging, it transforms into hidden storage and even a guest bed. Every inch has been designed to serve multiple purposes, proving that small living doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or style. Look up, and you'll spot the loft, accessible by a compact staircase that doubles as a bookshelf. The loft bedroom feels magical, like a cozy nest floating above the rest of the home. Imagine lying there at night, staring through the skylight as stars shimmer right above you. It's peaceful, romantic, and impossibly beautiful. Now, let's talk about the kitchen, because yes, even in this tiny space, it's fully equipped. There's a 2-burner stove, a sleek sink, a mini fridge, and plenty of countertop space for cooking. But here's the genius part, everything folds, slides, or tucks away neatly. When not in use, the kitchen practically disappears, giving you more open space for living or entertaining. And the bathroom? Pure innovation. You'll find a walk-in shower with elegant tiles, a composting toilet, and even a washer/dryer combo. It's small, but it doesn't feel small. The mirrors and smart lighting make it feel like a spa in miniature form. Outside, the tiny home sits on a beautiful wooden deck, perfect for sipping morning coffee, reading, or watching sunsets. Some versions even include rooftop solar panels, making this little dream house totally off-grid and eco-friendly. Imagine traveling anywhere, setting up in the forest, by a lake, or even the desert, and having everything you need right there. What's most amazing isn't just the design, it's the feeling. When you step inside, it feels calm, intentional, and inspiring. Every shelf, every window, every finish tells a story of creativity and freedom. It's proof that less really can be more, and that home isn't about size, it's about how it makes you feel. So, what do you think? Could you live in a tiny home like this? Let me know in the comments below. And if this stunning little masterpiece left you amazed, don't forget to hit that like button.